Hi guys, welcome back to another amazing vlog. Oh my goodness. So don't mind how I'm looking. I've just woken up and I decided like, yo, why not edit this vlog? Because I think it's been today's on Sunday. It's been, by the I usually do most of my vlogs on Sunday, as in I usually edit my vlogs on Sunday. It has been two or 3 days since I came for the trip, and while I was editing I realized that there are some important details I left out, and I decided, yo, why not edit this video and just put it out there. It is so amazing, beautiful and calming. I promise you guys, don't skip, watch till the end. So this is the future me, of course, in the vlog, not as you're going to see the vlog in like 2 minutes, 1 minute from now. So this vlog I took to Malindi, and I just want to tell you the cost, the expense, and all the things, so that when you start seeing the video, because the clips are they're not okay. I tried explaining, but I decided let me do this intro part for you guys to understand. So I went to the Ocean Beach Resort. It's in Malindi, yeah, and it's a very good beach hotel. It's a hotel in the beach. Yeah, the view is the beach. So the cost of I went with Jumbo Jet. So let's start with the traveling expenses. From here to Malindi, that's a direct flight, was 5,100. Also the return ticket was 5,100. So 10,200 for the transport. But you can use other airlines like a Safari Link, that was 4,600 if I'm not wrong, but these prices keep on changing depending with the demand. So when I was going, Safari Link was 4,600, then Jumbo Jet was 51. The advantage of Jumbo Jet, maybe Jumbo Jet should really sponsor me. Like I really use the airline. So the advantage of using Jumbo Jet when going to Malindi, it took me like approximately 1 hour to reach there, 1 hour and 10 minutes. But in the ticket they write like 1 hour 30 minutes to reach there, because it's a direct flight. Then with Safari Link, it passes through Lamu first, then Malindi. That's what I saw. I've never used it, but that's what I saw. So I used Jumbo Jet. That is 10,200 for the transport for one person. Then the hotel which I was staying at, the Ocean Beach Resort, a really amazing place. Imagine being in a hotel where the view is the beach, like those hotels in Zanzibar. So a night is 16,000 Kenya shillings. That is $160. But for 2 people, it's 23,000 shillings a night. That's 16. Then you add 6,000 for an extra person, and 1,000 for the breakfast, which is it's expensive, let me not lie, but it is an added advantage because it comes with breakfast in it. That's a full board English breakfast, which alone goes for 1,500 Kenya shillings. Then for the continental breakfast, that's 1,000 Kenyan shillings. That's $10. So that's the advantage. The hotel room is nice. You'll see in the vlog I did that. And another advantage that I can tell you guys is in the same Ocean Beach Hotel and Spa, that's what it's called, resort and spa, there is Airbnbs there, which there are 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms and 3 bedrooms. For 1 bedroom it goes for 6,000 a night, but you know Airbnbs, you cook for yourself, everything. And the disadvantage is that Malindi, it's not that well. Okay, when you go to the Ocean Beach Resort, there are no shops around. You're going in. So when you're living in an Airbnb, you will have to go and eat in that hotel, which the food is not cheap. As I have said, like a normal breakfast, an English full board breakfast is 1,500 per person, then 1,000 for the English one, then 1,000 for the continental. Lunch 1,500, desserts are like 800. Yes. What else you guys need to know? The hotel spa has a jacuzzi. It has like 5 swimming pools. So let's hop right into the vlog. Hope I've mentioned everything that I thought were important before the vlog starts, and other things you'll see in the video, so don't skip. It was so much mad fun, and I'll be doing it again, guys, so watch till the end. Yo guys, another week, another vlog. And I know I look like that, but I'll be explaining that in a few. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy and excited. By the way, I did my nails. Able, look at that. The lighting is too much. It's not doing the picture justice. This is an umber look, orange and nude. Yeah, from here you can see. So guys, I'm going to Malindi. Yes, I'm going to Malindi. Guy, this year, oh my goodness, I really wanted to go to Zanzibar, but the year is still young. Tuko month gani? September. We can still go to Zanzibar if all goes well. So this is the Malindi travel vlog. Bado sijabook anything, but I know I'm going. That's on Tuesday. Today is on Sunday night. So everything can look bad anyway. So nimeenda salon, imagine jioni, na nimesonga nusu, so it's remaining half. This is knotless. Mtaona yote vizuri in video form and everything. So I started at 6:30 if I'm not wrong. Then nimemaliza saa 3. Right now it's like right now it's 9:50. Sema 2:10, no? Yeah, so my hands are getting tired. Yeah, so I did my nails, everything I've prepped. My hair, my toenails are done. Everything is at least like, yeah, tomorrow I'm busy. I'll be with my daddy. Then Tuesday we continue with the vlog. I'm so excited. Anyway, guys, I'll show you everything. But I'm not going for like how do I put it? Let's just wait and see what you're going to do. I'll try vlogging because I'm not good at it. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with me. I think bado nazoea. Anyway, yep. So stay tuned and please subscribe. Kaujona my Mombasa Diani vlog. Watch it also. Nita vlog. I don't know. I might separate the video, the travel vlog, then the vlog in Malindi. It might be 2 parts. Yeah. Yo guys. Look who's parking. Let me put you in a nice angle. Ndio munione. Like, yo. I have ooh. So it is currently 1:46 p.m. and okay, your girl is ready. So I'm wearing this 2-piece velvet 2-piece, a short, and oh, the lighting, yes baby, and these sultan shoes. Yeah, yes, that one, those ones. Okay, we are glowing. So anyway, I'm vlogging from my phone, and this is what we'll be using. Okay, the quality is not bad. It's good. I don't mind my kitchen. Yeah, so we are going. The flight is departing at 5:25, and where I am right now to the airport is like ikienda sana 1 hour, so we are good. I'll leave maybe at 3, fike 4, then check in 1 hour. Because sitaki kufika kwa Zubai. We are on, guys. So, yeah, stay tuned. I'll show the full outfit. Lakini mmeona yote, right? Maybe. Yeah, so stay tuned for pictures on my Instagram and stories and highlights and everything that I'll be able to capture. I don't know. I separate this video into two: the travel vlog and the. I'm not sure, but we'll see how long it's going to be, guys. So stay tuned. Guys, we have that whole bag for only how many days? Today and but you know what? It's for the pictures. It's for the pictures. Like no one should come at me. This mangozi papa ndani is just for the pictures. But I don't know. Like I'm just going for pictures. So long as nimeenda kupiga picture, that's enough. I know. Yo guys, I'm here at the airport. Tumefika salama salama. Yep. We now want to start with the process. Guys, so this is the hotel room, the ocean beach hotel in Malindi. I love the washroom, like yo, and this place, like so, so cute. Just look at the decors here, small TV there, then washroom. I mean the for male. Oh, okay. This is nice and unique. Then we have like a small shower here in gel. Looks so nice. I love the art. And of course, a drink over there. I'm going to take cute photos in this bed and in the washroom. Yeah. This is the Ocean Beach Hotel in Malindi. Malindi. Yeah, so cute. Very beautiful. hotel. Malindi Beach. Oh, this is so nice, guys. So early in the morning, it's still 7:10 a.m. Maji hijafika, but it reaches all the way huko. So hapa ndio tuko. It's so beautiful, like yo ha. Then I'm staying at this hotel. It's the Ocean Beach. I think I've mentioned it like a million times. So just from the hotel, you come to the beach, and it is so beautiful. Na maji imeenda ndani like sana. Yeah. Meaning jioni itakuwa imefika. Let's do this to mark a point. This sand dunes mnaona hapa. Then that's how far where those trees are hapo ndio hoteli. So jioni tutakuja, we do a check tuone kwenye maji itakuwa imefika. So now let me take pictures there. On my way to breakfast after the beach. Swimming. Yes, I have a tripod, of course. This place is so coyote. Naangalia tu kama mpaka kuwa sponsor wangu, njoo hata kuniangalia angalia hivyo. That's fun. So guys, I'm here. I'm waiting for these guys to wameniambia ningoje. They're going to give me towel before I swim. I'm all alone. Hata I think on a letter. I'm all alone here. So beautiful, the view, everything. I want to take pictures kwanza, then maybe tuingie kwa maji 30 minutes. Kuna like 5 swimming pools here. So nataka swim kwa hii, then I'll go to the beach later tena, nimeenda asubuhi tena I'll go, then also later. I have my tripod here ready for pictures. Sitaki kusumbua watu. Yeah, the guy is bringing ndo huyo, sijui kama mnaweza muona. It's too sunny. Ati kuna? Wapi kuna jacuzzi? Oh. Hebu niende nione. Jacuzzi? Wow. Guys, we have a jacuzzi here. Napelekwa with this swimming guy. look at the beach, and this is the swimming pool, and this is me. Nime swim sana. I did like, oh, that guy is cleaning the swimming pool. Like, oh, I mean, take pictures. Then we pick up a jacuzzi and here. And they're nice. They're so kind, guys. Yo, guys, we are done with the swimming. That was the first round. Now I'm going back to the hotel room. I want to check out at 11. It's currently 10. Then I go to an Airbnb just here, not far. Here we are. You guys, I just started vlogging. Then this guy akaamua and okay, so we've checked into the Airbnb. And now this is it. This is the outside, how it looks. So as we enter, it's a 1-bedroom Airbnb. Yeah, we have this is the outside terrace. So nice, so beautiful. Then when you enter in, yeah, this small couch here. Then we have lights. Nice. This for this side. Then like a small TV here. The art. Then this is the kitchen area. Then the cabinets are here. Oh, by the way, there's also a fridge, of course, MALINDI. Akosekana fridge because of the weather. Then there's storage, kabati, cooker there, glasses. Then we have this is the closet. Just simple like that. I don't know if I need to open for you guys, but anyways, yeah. Then a safe there. Very simple but nice. Then oh, the bed is so nice, by the way. Let me show you from a good angle. From here. That is the room. That is the bed. There's a table there. Those drinks nenda kuweka kwa fridge. I have some few drinks and water and soda. Things here are very expensive, let me not lie. Then this is the room. Things are so expensive. Like a small bottle of water, like your monapo, ni like 350. This is me. Yeah. For now I'm here. Like this bottle of water, this 350. Then of course we have the AC. This one here, the AC sunset 21. Then the lights, the middle light for there, so beautiful. Then near hapo. Then the washroom. Oh, we didn't look at the view from the bedroom. This is how it looks. I don't know if you can see. Like that. And that's the outside view. So nice. This one bedroom is late. Very simple but nice. Then we'll let's go to the washroom. Have our towels here, of course. Then mirror. It's so simple. Then this is the view also. There's a swimming pool over there. This is nice. Actually, the Airbnb imeshikana tu na the Ocean View Hotel. Then of course the same thing. Then shower. Yep. Yeah, I think that's it. guys, I'm out here chilling. I want to go to the beach. It's 6 p.m. I'm drinking this water. The view is amazing. You can hear the waves. The waves. Mm-hmm. Guys, in the morning we did a test. Tukisema tutaona jioni kwenye maji imefika. And right now it's 6:20 p.m. Radio, you can see it. Actually, naogopa kufika mbali because I don't know about this beach, but I'm going to take pictures. Do you maji, if you can see, let me try zooming. I'm here in bed, chilling, waiting for my dinner. I just went from service, and I took that drink you saw, and I'm having this gin. Yeah, I just want something relaxing for the night. This one. Yeah, I'll make some mini cocktail with this gin, and I don't know. There's Sprite. Yeah, so. Hey, huku kuna joto, but not really. Then I don't want to show myself because I'm in the bed mood. I need to get to hapa charging my phone, which I'm using it to vlog. Yep, nitawasha hii fan. Yes, guys, this is the second day. Then tomorrow is the third day, and I'm leaving tomorrow. Tomorrow in the evening. Yeah, so stay tuned. I think it's always bad to go back, but we need to go regardless. So I think I'll continue the vlog tomorrow. I'll vlog with my food when it comes. Then tomorrow at least I like vlogging when I'm showing my face. Yeah. But the bed is so comfortable. It's a king size bed. Good morning. So it's 8:30 anaangalia nje venye kuna so like mob. So I want to do my small makeup. Then this table, let's look. The jana ilibaki clothes and my drink. I didn't finish. Yeah, jana vlog hivi. I want to do my makeup, then I go for breakfast, of course a heavy one. I'm leaving today. Then I take pictures, because I take pictures. Oh my goodness, follow me on my IG. I have 2 outfits and I'll take pictures in them. So today I'll just take pictures, then I go to the pool, maybe swimming pool. My flight is departing at 3:30 p.m. Yeah, so that will be enough time because I'm in this ocean resort, ocean hotel, ocean beach hotel. It's like 10 minutes away from the airport. Tukienda sana 30-20. Yeah, so maybe I'll just leave at 1:30 there. Because I'm sure flights to Nairobi from Malindi si mingi sana. Hata when I came, it was barely empty. So yeah, right now nipake makeup kidogo, I go for breakfast, then I take pictures for maybe it's 2 outfits, so that's approximately 1 hour. Then maybe I relax by the pool, then I go. Yeah, it was nice. It was a nice getaway. It was not even planned, but I'm glad I did it. Yeah, so let me bit my face haraka. It's nothing much. I don't know, my phone is dying, so watch I need charge so that by the time I finish doing my makeup, niende nayo for breakfast. Yeah, it's so nice. So guys, we're here waiting for breakfast. We've been told there are 2 options, continental and English. So we've chosen the English. Yep, let's wait. It's a full board breakfast. First, start with the fruits. So guys, I've already taken pictures in this outfit. Yay! Pictures on my Instagram.